Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook's login problem. So basically, when do you have this problem, then if you try to log in into your Facebook account, you can't. It's gonna say you can't log in due to some problem. So there are various methods on why this can happen. So the first thing is if your Facebook is not up to date. So if your Facebook is not up to date, then you can be facing a bug problem. So for that, you want to go to your Play Store and check if your Facebook is up to date or not. So I'm doing that right now. I'm going on my Play Store and checking if my Facebook is up to date. You can do that as well. Once you go on Facebook, as you guys can see, my Facebook is not up to date. I can click on update and update my Facebook. And after updating my Facebook, if it is caused by some bug, then it's gonna fix it. But if it's still not fixed, then basically what you want to do is you want to come out of Facebook and hold on your Facebook and click on app info. Now we're going to be offloading Facebook. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data and cache stored by Facebook on your phone. Click on storage usage now. Once you're in your storage usage, click on clear data and then click on clear. After doing that, your Facebook's login problem should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, then the other thing is make sure to check your internet connection. Sometimes you can't log in into your Facebook due to your slow internet connection. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. And if you have a stable internet connection and did what I just told you and you still have this problem, then just delete Facebook and reinstall it again. After that, it should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can, just download this thing called Facebook Lite. Sometimes the Facebook app doesn't work. You want to download Facebook Lite. It's the Lite version of Facebook. It's also available on like Play Store. You can just search for Facebook Lite and it's gonna show like this. You can download it. So yeah, and using Facebook Lite, you should be able to log in into your account. But if you still can't, then you can go to your browser and log in into your Facebook account. So yeah, these are all the way on how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and I will see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye.